A contract can be created by chat or exchange of emails. I just uploaded a video with Seven Berata talking about, of course, healthy creative practices. A friend of mine, a lawyer, who has helped me through some legal issues back in the past and some legal battles in the past, wanted to share some advice. He requested to remain anonymous, which I highly respect, but this is a good dude, a good guy, and he wanted to help. So he said, hi, Ari. Saw your clips re7. That is such a podcastable topic. I absolutely agree. That's why it was important to share. Many people kasi mistake contracts as something that lawyers need to write. I thought this before. A contract can be created by chat or exchange of emails. All you need to show are the following: consent, a meeting of the minds, meaning nag-areglo kayo, object, the goods or the services, consideration. Here's an example of that. Hi, Ari, client texts me. Are you available to host our wedding on December 19th, 7 p.m. at Chang BGC? I'm like, yes, of course. My rates are X fee for 3 hours. We can do a down payment of 20% so we can reserve the date na. Sure, here's the down payment. Shows GCash screenshot or any online transfer, basta as long as it's proof of payment, and then I confirm. All right, see you. That convo alone creates an obligation on your part to show up, and in turn, it creates an obligation on them to pay you if you do show up. That is a contract. Walang sinulat, walang pirma. Meaning, you don't have to have a contract to have a case if you decide to sue them or go after any client who decides not to pay you. If they fail to pay, it creates a breach. And it's easier now to file cases or collection if the amount is less than 1 million pesos. No need for alert. This is true. You can file this under small claims case. And I realized this because there was a client before that didn't want to pay me during the pandemic and wanted to get out of the contract. And they tried to wiggle out of it. And sabi nga nila, hindi sila nag-sign ng contract, so our contract is void. They tried to do it. They went as low as that. But we had and my lawyer said, no, it's okay. You have a meeting of the minds. So what they're saying is not valid. I can actually go after them and get what's rightfully mine based on our agreement, on top of them paying for legal fees. So additional notes: text messages and email exchanges that establish contracts are sufficient as written documents. They can be evidence of an agreement in court. Screenshot is important test. Is the most important. It is nice to have those formally written agreements if there are very specific matters you want to address, but they are not fundamentally required. Any written is generally given greater weight than verbal agreements. So when in doubt, always document anything written. Text message, screenshot, emails. Even emails is unbelievable. Messenger, basta may screenshot ka, contract, that can be a contract. And you can go to court, small claims case, as long as it's under 1 million, you can get what's rightfully yours. So again, for those who didn't know this, you don't need anything written or you don't need anything with a signature. Kala nyo kailangan talaga ng contract? Yes. You just need something of this sort: an exchange, a meeting of the minds, and a consideration. I hope this helps you or any future creative that goes into business. It's already so hard for us, so understand your rights and understand what you can do to protect yourself. Thank you to my lawyer friend for doing this. I can imagine this is so valuable for people who might not know it.